Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Dev Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, India. Today in short I am going to describe you when to suspect cystic fibrosis in children. So cystic fibrosis is usually considered a disease of Caucasians and it is considered a rare disease in Indian children. But the fact is it is not very rare in Indian children. It is rare in Indian children because it is suspected rarely in Indian children. So when to suspect it? So right from infancy, when there is frequent diarrhea, greasy stool, bulky stool, sticky stool, oil in stool, failure to thrive, you should suspect cystic fibrosis. If there is recurrent pneumonia, persistent pneumonia, you should suspect cystic fibrosis. If on investigations, if you are getting hypoalbuminemia, hyponatremia, hypokalemia, and on the background of this, if you are getting chest infections, especially with pseudomonas in Indian children, there is probability of cystic fibrosis. If on investigations with these clinical features we will get metabolic alkalosis, there may be cystic fibrosis. So suspect cystic fibrosis in these clinical scenario, and there is one screening test of newborn, that is IRT, immunoreactive trypsinogen. And if you suspect on a screening, you should confirm the diagnosis either by sweat chloride test or by genetic analysis. So nowadays in last decades there has been advancement in the treatment of cystic fibrosis in children in the form of genetic treatment, and there are drugs available, ivacaftor, lumacaftor, tezacaftor, and combination of these, that is triple genetic medicines, which are very effective in the treatment of the most common variant of cystic fibrosis, that is delta 508. So be aware, take care, thanks, and for more knowledge of pediatric respiratory diseases, join fellowship program in Pediatric Pulmonology and Respiratory Foundation of India. Take care, be aware, bye bye.